Kesatuan Faculty of Business is committed to be promoter of superior and qualified educational institute in accounting, management, and bioentrepreneurship at the international level in 2039.
Faculty of Business Kesatuan is committed to provide a qualified curriculum and generate professional graduates in accounting, management, and bioentrepreneurship.
In application of the learning curriculum, business faculty administer quality education and teaching processes in accounting, management, and bioentrepreneurship according to national and international standard. Preserving the activities of intellectual economic value product in the accounting field, management, and bioentrepreneurship. Carry out community service and devotion in the field of accounting, management, and bioentrepreneurship for developing the prosperity and progress of Indonesia. Kesatuan Faculty of Business has an accounting study program, management study program, and bioentrepreneurship study program.
Other facilities at Kesatuan Business and Informatics Institute support us to be an active and innovative younger generation.
In Kesatuan Business and Informatics Institute, we are taught by professional and expert lecturers in the field. We have perspective, both practical and theoretical, about the material given to the students.
Kesatuan Business and Informatics Institute gives us a lot of experience, science, and support value that prepares graduates to achieve anywhere, not only at the national level, but also internationally.
Along with us, be competent and creative in looking at opportunity in Kesatuan Faculty of Business.